Hello guys, this is a little bit funny video. I'll be explaining how Joe Biden won the election against Trump recently, a couple of days ago in America. So it's a very good interesting analogy of the US elections with SN2 reaction. So first of all, I will explain what is SN2 reaction, and then I will explain what is the analogy between Trump and Biden. So SN2 reaction is an organic chemistry reaction which takes place between alkyl halide and some sort of a nucleophile, and it's a one-step reaction and it undergoes a concerted transition state, and then you have a different product than the starting material. So consider, for example, this is alkyl halide, which is primary alkyl halide, and OH contains a negative charge. Any atom which possesses negative charge or free lone pair, we call it a nucleophile, and these halogens are electronegative compared to carbon, so this center is called electrophilic center. So this oxygen containing negative charge acts as a nucleophile and attacks on from the back side on the electrophilic center, and as a result bromine leaves. Hence we call bromine as a leaving group, and we call OH as an incoming group or nucleophile. And we started from alkyl halide, alkyl bromide to be specific, and we ended up at methanol. So we started from methyl bromide and we prepared methanol from methyl bromide via SN2 reaction. Okay, now let's explain this reaction with this cartoon, and then at the end I will explain with the Trump and Biden. So this pink thing where the cat is, so this pink is called methyl part, and this cat, which is gray in color, is bromine, and this orange in color is nucleophile, which is OH negative. Now what happened, this orange cat, which acts as a nucleophile, means containing a negative charge or lone pair, it attacks on the gray cat, and as a result gray cat leaves, and that's called the leaving group, and the orange cat takes part of the seat of that substrate, and the substrate was methyl bromide. So this gray cat now acting with this analogy as bromide, hence this is a SN2 reaction, right? Now let's explain this phenomena to Trump and Biden. So now Joe Biden acting as a nucleophile and Trump is acting as a leaving group, and this is a electrophilic center, carbon having a partial positive charge, and Trump being volatile in nature, aggressive in nature, gets a partial negative charge because he is more mouthy and speaks a lot in terms of its tweets and words, and Joe being calm guy, having strong character, and he speaks good about climate change, and he is in favor of scientists and he believes in science contrary to Trump. So Joe being a nucleophile here, Trump being a leaving group, and Joe as a nucleophile attacks on this carbon and Trump leaves, and this is how Joe wins the election after a very long wait of counting the votes in America. I hope you like this analogy, cat and orange cat and gray cat and Trump and Joe, and I hope you understood the SN2 reaction mechanism in a more little fresh and funnier way. Thanks for watching. Bye.